This is our controlled breeding environment where leopards are raised safely.
See the tail twitch? A little restless.
Yeah, I got it. But the breathing is steady.
We train them with discipline and patience. Breathing is steady at 10, oximeter looks good.
Finished with the ultrasound, let's get these samples analyzed.
Making sure these are exactly 10 ounces.
Looks good. We need 3 more trays for the rhino enclosure.
Proper nutrition ensures their strength and health.
Discipline is essential for safe handling.
Only healthy animals are approved for transport. Easy now, keep moving. Steady, straight ahead.
The next stage begins inside this facility.
The next stage begins inside this facility. تمام، نزلها ببطء.
العجلات مؤمنة. هيا بنا.
All right, easy now, keep it moving. Gate is clear. Go ahead and secure it. Locked.
We begin with a full observation to ensure stability.
All right, keep moving, good cats. That's it, almost there.
So they naturally adapt and enjoy the cleaning process.
Controlled drying maintains fur quality.
Come on, easy. Up you go.
Looks good, 45 kilograms.
We record precise measurements for monitoring.
Look at that pounce reflex. Got it recorded. They are incredibly fast. I love when they do this.
We now transform synthetic leopard leather into finished products.
The resistance is consistent across the grain, but look at this spot.
The spectrometer reading is within tolerance. We can approve the batch.
Precision ensures minimal waste and perfect design.
Okay, this large piece goes to coats.
And this small one looks like a shoe strap.
Strong stitching ensures durability and elegance.
This leopard print is very popular right now. They look amazing. We are doing great work.
We shape each piece for comfort and durability.
Every product must meet our highest quality standards.
Aplini products are now ready for global markets.